Alright, I'm going to be making, it's called a 3-step pumpkin cheesecake that I got off Pinterest. What you're going to need is 100% pure pumpkin, not pied pumpkin, pure pumpkin. Vanilla extract, pumpkin pie spice, sugar, and softened cream cheese, 2 eggs, and a ready crust graham pie crust. What you do is set heat oven to 350 degrees, beat cream cheese, pumpkin, and vanilla and pumpkin spice in a large bowl. Now I've put the 1 pack of thawed cream cheese in there, 1 8-ounce pack. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and half a can of pumpkin. Okay, that looks about a little bit more than half a can, but that's okay. Until it's all blended. I'm just going to put the sugar, sprinkle it all around. Half a cup of sugar, of granulated sugar. Add eggs, beat just until blended. Okay, so I'm going to put one in at a time. Okay, I'm going to put the other one in. Oh, this smells good, y'all, you guys. You can smell that pumpkin spice. Oh. Pour into crust. Bake 40 minutes or until center is almost set. Cooked 40 minutes. It's set. I just put a toothpick in the middle too. It came out clean. And as you can see, it did puff up some. So what I'm going to do right now while it's cooling is just sprinkle just a little bit of cinnamon around it. Sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon around it. Then you let it cool on here. Then you put it in the refrigerator for 4 hours or overnight. Then you put whipped topping on top before you serve it. Refrigerator overnight. And I put the cinnamon on top. Now I'm going to put some whipped topping up there, on there. I'm going to spray some on there. That is a homemade pumpkin cheesecake. I'm going to taste it for you. I put a little bit more whipped topping on there because I like whipped topping. Oh, so good. If you like pumpkin cheesecake, you gotta make it. It's so good.